Alright everybody, thanks for being back. This is part something of this video series, and I'm gonna show you if the coil machine accepts the pedal and the white clip with this power supply, which is available everywhere. Okay, this could be plan B if your power supply is down. So let's see if this works. Right now I'm at 3 volts. Let's see if it works. Ooh. 3 volts. 5. 6. 7.5. 9. And finally at 12 volts. Actually, I think this is 9. Let's see. No, this is 9. Before it was 7.5. And to conclude, this is 12. Anyways, this would do a lot of damage. Obviously, we'll have to tone it down, put it at around 5 and 6, I guess. This works at 2000 mega amps. The power supply, the official power supply, for a tattoo machine, the one I have, it's 2500 mega amps, which is too strong for this. Like, it starts working on it and then just gives up, So, but the motor doesn't burn, so that's a good thing. And in this case, what would happen? Let's say if you dropped your power supply and you're screwed. You're in the middle of a tattoo. I don't know what happened. Like, shit happens. It burns. Well, this specific solution could be plan B, guys, because a tattoo, you cannot just let it hang. You understand what I mean? So yeah, I just hope I'm getting through. And yes, this is my point of view of tattoo machines. And I prefer the ones I make because this one is 238. Oops, this 238 grams. This is 167, and this is 167. And side by side, this is what it looks like. This is bigger. But the whole thing about it is like, imagine a long session. Anyways, I have this little rubber things. I put this, it's like a rubber thing, so I just put it here with a double-sided tape. And, just take some reverb out, but obviously it's not enough. But still better. It's like wearing gel soles, for your shoes, than just going with the regular shoes. So yes, I just hope you enjoyed this series. And the last video that I should be making should be coming out soon, but I haven't figured out how to finalize it. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.